Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday! I hope you're all having a blessed night. Cuts to unemployment benefits will lower U.S. incomes by billions of dollars. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. In early September, the Biden administration let federal crisis-era unemployment benefits lapse for millions of Americans. Bloomberg reports that workers have not come rushing back after benefits wound down, as some experts anticipated. But early research has shown that ending benefits could strike a big economic blowout for both jobless Americans and their states' economies. Right now, a new recent report from the Economic Policy Institute shows just how much could be at stake. According to the Economic Policy Institute, the government's decision to let unemployment benefits expire in September will result in a $144.3 billion decrease in annual income and nearly $82 billion decrease in consumer spending. The average annual decrease in income for unemployment insurance cuts is nearly $14,000 per person, and the average annual decrease in spending is $7,450. Those figures come from an annualized analysis of research that looked at the economic impact of cutting benefits early. Throughout this past summer, 26 states, 25 of which are GOP-led, opted out of federal benefits early. Researchers found that the loss of unemployment insurance benefits at the state level resulted in recipients of unemployment insurance spending about $145 less per week. For every dollar in benefits lost, spending is dropped by 52 cents. That added up to a $2 billion drop in spending across all of those states. At the start,
Madam President, currently America's debt is barreling towards $30 trillion. $30 trillion is hard to imagine. So think about it this way. That's more than $233,000 in debt for every American family. On July 31st, the suspension on the federal debt limit expired, and now Democrats in Congress, who continue to pursue a purely partisan, reckless tax and spending spree, are pushing this as a decision point with only two options: vote to suspend the debt limit or increase it, with no reforms to control excess federal spending. They want us to write the government a blank check to spend more money that we don't have. Republicans have been clear: we will not do it. Now, my Democrat colleagues will say that the debt ceiling shouldn't be a partisan issue, and I completely agree. But what we've seen from the Democrats this year has been purely partisan, even by Washington's broken standards. First, they passed a nearly $2 trillion so-called COVID bill that spent less than 10% of its funding on actually fighting COVID without any Republican votes. And now they are pushing forward a $5.5 trillion reckless tax and spending spree.
Of this crisis, the federal government expanded both the size and scope of unemployment insurance. Crisis unemployment assistance made gig workers and freelancers newly eligible, among others. A separate analysis found that the crisis unemployment assistance made up the greatest share of federal unemployment insurance distributed in the year 2020. Our government beefed up these benefits in the form of an additional $600 weekly, which would later become a $300 benefit. The enhanced unemployment benefits, alongside stimulus checks, helped keep millions of Americans out of poverty. The U.S. Census Bureau found that the official poverty rate rose by 1% in 2020. The Biden administration affirmed in August that benefits would come to a close in September, although states could continue paying out benefits on their own or give impacted residents relief payments. But there have been no U.S. state that said it would continue these benefits. So everyone, do you agree with me that states should continue providing unemployment benefits? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The key word for this video, everyone, is number. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also remember to comment below this keyword. Millions of American families with children have received 3 monthly payments since July, totaling $45 billion through the new enhanced child tax credit. There is a limited amount of time for families with eligible children to sign up if they didn't receive these checks automatically, likely because they don't traditionally file a tax return. The Internal Revenue Service non-filer portal will be open through October 15th, meaning there is just 1 month left for families to use it. After October, families will be able to use getctc.org, which is a site launched by the Code for America in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Treasury and the White House. You can use this to sign up for the credit through mid-November. Families that enroll for the credit now will see larger remaining payments than those who have been getting them monthly since July. That is because the monthly money is in advance on a 2021 tax credit, half to be delivered this year and the rest to come when families file their taxes next year. The American Rescue Plan, which was passed earlier this year, expanded the existing child tax credit, adding advanced monthly payments and increasing these benefits to $3,000 from $2,000. If a family filed a tax return in 2019 or 2020 and had direct deposit, the family started receiving the first $3,300 of the credit in 6 monthly installments of $550 that will last from July to December of this year. If the same family does not traditionally file taxes because they don't earn enough, they would need to sign up to get the monthly payments via the IRS non-filer tool. If a family missed a July payment but signed up in August, as about 1 million families did so, then they would still get the $3,300 before December. Then they would still get the $3,300 before the end of December. As each month passes, families who just signed up recently will get larger payments as the IRS works to make sure they get the first half of the credit ahead of tax time. Those that wait to sign up through the Code for the America tool in November will get the entire first half of the credit in one check during the month of December. Families that traditionally don't file their taxes and sign up for the credit can now claim any stimulus payments from the last year and a half that they were eligible for but did not receive. Thank you so much for joining me here tonight. I greatly appreciate it. Please do remember to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this coming Friday. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please remember to comment below this keyword. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Wednesday night.